Hi, my name is John. Welcome to a short cooking video. In today's cooking video, all I'm going to do is bake a potato. It's a nice, decent size Marius Piper potato. The ingredients are 1 potato, some butter, some salt, and some fresh ground black pepper. The secret is in the way the potato is prepared. So I think we'll go to the workshop, get it prepped up ready, and then I'll show you exactly how I'm going to bake it. I'm going to do most of the prep work on a milling machine. You could do it freehand, or it could even be done sort of mounted on a saddle in a lathe, but I'm going to use a milling machine. The first thing I need to do is find out how thick it is. Just need an average because it's a potato and you can't get that accurate. It's roughly 65mm. So if I put the hole depth at 60mm, it won't penetrate all the way through the bottom. I'm going to put some paper here to protect the vise. It won't need a lot of pressure to hold this in, just a little nip should be sufficient. I'm going to find a nice long series drill. I think a 5 or a 6mm drill will be perfect for the particular application. Right, I found a nice sharp drill, 5.4mm, so that will be ideal. Only make sure it's clean. Right, it's just got a normal grind on, so it should go through here, no problem at all. Right, I'm going to put probably 2 rows of holes in. I'm just going to eyeball the first set of holes. It's not that critical, but we do need to find the highest point on the potato. Right, so we'll touch it off there and then I'll set the depth. I'm watching for juice basically. That's it there. Right, so far 0 the depth gauge on the quill. We want to go down to 50mm. Right, that's 50mm there. Right, I'll set this depth stop at 50, then each hole can just be drilled down to a dead stop, so I haven't got to measure each one in turn. Right, so we're going to start off from there and we're going to go out 20mm from that side of the hole. $20mm, so we can drill another one right down to full depth because it hits the stop, then another 20. The spacing's not that critical, but we might as well have it somewhere near right. And this time we're on minus number, so it's minus 20. And another one. Next we need to get some butter into those holes so it actually infuses into the potato whilst it's cooking. You could use margarine, you could use various things, but I'm going to use some real butter. I'm going to melt the butter in the microwave to make it easier to get into the potato. Nice dollop of lovely salted butter. Right, the butter has been melted in the microwave, so we'll fill the syringe with it, and then we can force the butter down into the previously drilled holes. It's possible I should have put vent holes in line with these ones, but it is going in quite nicely. Yeah, I think if I put a borehole through on the next one, so we'll get the butter flowing through, but I'm sure it's going to do the job. Certainly isn't health food, but I think on a cool winter's night like tonight, this will be just the job. Right, next it needs wrapping up in some bacon foil. You need a good wrap because the heat source for this is going to be fairly hot and fairly vicious. Right, so that's now ready to be baked for an hour. Right, the fire's just about died down now. We've got some really hot embers here. So I'm going to put the potato in there, cover it up. It's going to be cooked in there for roughly half an hour, then I'll turn it over, cook the other side, and it should be good to go. Right, it's been in there for an hour, so it should basically be cooked. I've turned it around a couple of times. It sounds kind of hollow, so that's a good sign. We'll go and check it out. Have a look and see exactly what we've got here. Certainly warm. I can smell the butter. Oh, look at it. It's supposed to be black. That's the way they're meant to be. Oh, look at that. Right, we'll cut it open and see what it looks like inside. I'll bring the camera in so you can actually see what's... Oh... Dear me. See the butter impregnated into the holes, really soft, absolutely perfect, but it does need more butter. That'll melt into there and it's going to be absolutely splendid, this. A little bit of salt, a little bit of fresh ground black pepper, a spoon, and all it remains now is to have a little taste. That is lovely. Really, really nice. So there you have it, a simple baked potato. Cost virtually zero, and it's absolutely wonderful. Anyway, once again, it's just time to say thanks for watching, thanks for subscribing, and bon appetit, body lad. Absolutely wonderful.